Hello, my name is Max, and my role on this project is to be the programmer and to design the mockups of the application. I prefer working more on the programming of the application, but it gives me a lot of trouble working alone. Because in programming there are two phases, programming the back end and the front end. I'm the one in charge of doing the back end programming, which consists of doing all the programming so that the application can work well.
Hello, my name is Saul. My role in this project is to make the documentation of a gun project. Every time we present the project to teachers, they give us feedbacks on how to make the application better, and that is where my role begins. I have to take note of everything side, and Max will be in charge of doing the programming and making changes to the application if needed.
Hello, my name is Pablo, and my role in the project is to help my team make maths. We all are in the charge of doing the program of the application. A web system, Matt does the application while I do the web system. My job is the hardest one because I have to make sure it works well so that the application can work well as well. I have to make sure that the APIs are set good and that the coding doesn't have any errors.
My name is Jerel Paul, and my main role in this project is to do the documentation. The documentation consists of taking notes and writing all the errors and all the thing that consists of the project consists of. This documentation also needs to take a schedule. The schedule is based on what each member of the group will do and when it will be done and by when it will be finished. The documentation starts when the beginning of the project, and it ends when the project is done. And it is a very tedious work, and takes a lot of time. It has to be done well because if it has errors, the project will not go well.
Uploading our application to the Play Store or App Store. Before uploading our application to the Play Store or App Store, we should have in mind that the app should have the SHA-1 keys set up well, because if those keys aren't set up well, it will end up in users not able to find the app on the Play Store, and it means that we never finish the project.
Before releasing our web system of the internet, we need to take sure that the system has a domain. The domain is very important because from the domain is that user will be able to gain access to website. Here is an example of a domain: https double point slash slash www.google.com slash.
For our web system to be legal and for it to be published on internet, we should have a security license. We show users that the website is safe for them to use and that their personal information is hidden and cannot be seen by others.